Good afternoon, folks. Mike Wells, your World Explorer. Right now I'm providing you with an update on the progress of these spiraling ginger. Now, we planted these last year late, and they went through the winter just fine. They were a lot smaller than this. You can check the backstory to this at the end of the video. There's a link at the top right. If you look here, this is a much larger segment of the spiraling ginger, and it's really taken off now that the heat has arrived. But it gets this dappled sunlight, and I suspect this year it will take off pretty well, and then I'll be able to thin them out and add to the plan, which is to place them behind these bromeliads. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, as that helps the channel out quite a bit. And stay tuned, as I'll keep you updated on the progress of these spiraling ginger. Have a good day.